Good day, my friends. Today we gonna make this cool Origami jet fighter X to Yanagi. This origami jet fighter can fly faster and higher. A4 size paper.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want you to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Just leave a quarter centimeter in the center to prevent your paper to break.
Turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go. You can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Make sure everything is balanced. 0.5 centimeter. Now open back up. Now we need to fold this along the lines. Now feel the paper under. This is we are gonna start the crest. Now do the same on the other side. This is served as lock of the wings. We are not done yet. We need to lock this up. Just fold a little on this edge. Now insert it inside. Next is we gonna fold the tail. Now our Origami Jet Fighter X-2 Yanagi is done. Just make a little curve to the wings. Now time for you to test it out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Have a nice day.